Follow along with me on Kuromi, starting with the eyes. There are 4 key alignments. First one, the nose sits right under the eyes, like this. For this pose, point the base of the ears on the hood towards these points. The outline locks in the shape, and the color brings her to life. This is where she really starts getting that attitude of hers. The secret to getting her proportions right is in these alignments. Check it out. Four points that line up together, that locks in her position for this pose. Close out the outline with a few small tweaks, and there she is.